Okay, I made the mistake of not doing a problem like this, and I want to make sure I do one. So everybody look up here. Is everybody paying attention? Raise your hand if you're focused in on me. Very good. Jacob. Okay, I'm going to draw an angle. Now, measure of angle 1 is 86 degrees. Measure of angle 1 is also 2x plus 4. Find x. Guys, stop doing your work and listen. You've got a work day on Monday, so stop. Put your pencils up. Watch. Okay? What is the measure of this angle?
86.
It's 86 degrees. But what did I also say the measure of angle 1 was?
2x plus 4.
Go 2x plus 4. What did I say? What does this remind you of? What kind of problem?
Algebra.
Nathan, sit up.
Algebraic.
An algebra problem. So probably I need to create a equation using the information given. What things are equal here? 86. Aren't these two things the same thing?
Yes.
So my equation would be 2x plus 4 equals
86.
easy peasy, right?
Minus
Subtract 4, subtract 4. 2x is equal to what?
82 divided by 2.
What is x equal to?
40.
Tom?
41.
Isn't that pretty easy?
Yes, sir.
They also might give you something like this.
We don't write it
I'll freeze both of them up here when we're done, okay?
down. Oh, okay.
And who knows if I've got this written to scale or there's just no telling. Find x. Find what x is equal to. What in the world am I going to do here?
Combine the x's and combine the regular numbers.
Looks like algebra.
Yeah.
And what you'll see sometimes in the book, they'll have parentheses around here with the degrees around it. Don't let that confuse you.
It's the same thing.
Pay attention.
Oh boy. Okay, don't let that confuse you. It's just saying that this was 2x plus 10 represents the measure of this angle, right? And then what else is this saying? That this whole big angle right here is how much?
120.
You guys see that? That's what this is saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you see an equation here?
I kind of did.
2x plus 10 equals 4x minus 3.
Nope.
No?
I know, yeah, the first thing probably a lot of you might do is say, okay, I'm going to make the things with x is equal. Well, sometimes you might be right, sometimes you might not. In this case, you won't be right. Now, if I had said this bisects the angle, then would those be equal?
Yes.
But I never said that, did I? All I know is that the entire angle is 120, but the two parts that make the entire angle are these two, right?
Yes.
Think of it like this. Okay, everybody look up here. This thing plus this thing would equal the big thing, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Okay. This thing we'll call circle, this thing we'll call square, the big one we'll call triangle, right? So circle plus square equals what?
Triangle.
This thing plus this thing equals the whole thing. Now just put in what they gave you for each. What is the measure of this angle?
2x plus
2x
10.
plus.
Everybody see what I'm saying? Plus
4x minus 20.
The two smaller parts should equal the whole big thing, which is,
120.
you see how that makes sense? That the two smaller ones added together should equal, okay. Now I've got this big ugly equation,
6x.
but whenever it's ugly and it looks weird, you should remember this from algebra, there's probably some simplifying to do, like some like terms to add or some multiplying to do, and there is, isn't there?
Yeah, 6x
6x
10.
minus 10 is equal to what?
120.
And then 10 plus 20.
It'd be
Add 10 both
130.
sides, 6x is equal to 130.
And then, yeah,
X is equal to 1 2/3. Is that right?
So
Put it into your calculator, see what you get. You get 21 2/3. I didn't, mean for it to come out to be a fraction, but sometimes that happens. Go 130 ABC 6 equals.
snap, I did 60. Well, 21.6.
666 repeating. Okay, it's 21 2/3. Or 21 2/3. But use the A, B, or C button, it'll keep it as a fraction. So go do that. Do 130 and then press A, B, C button. And then put 6 and then equals.
Oh, yeah. 21 to
this is probably my favorite part
Yours
of
you're gonna
it.
use the mode button. You're gonna go, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go 130 divided by 6, and then you're
Alright, we
gonna
have
press, math button, I think it is. Hit the math button, is there a math button?
Yeah.
Press the math button, and so you'll see beside number 1, it says fractions. So you're gonna press 1 and
Chrissy,
enter,
Chrissy,
and then it ought to give you your answer with fraction.
Why can't I borrow it? Yeah, I didn't want to borrow it, so she just calculated it.
Okay. Back up.
Here, I'll zoom out if you guys wanna see that. Both of these, I am going to, in fact, I haven't stopped recording yet. I'm gonna put, they'll be on the website.